Hydrogen fuel cells, the future of cars. Hydrogen fuel cells work by taking the energy from the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is added at the anode, where it is then split into hydrogen and negatively charged electrons. Then, oxygen enters the fuel cell, where it combines with electrons. After combining with the electrons, oxygen passes through the electrolyte, where it comes into contact with the positively charged hydrogen. This causes a chemical reaction, forming water and releasing heat and energy. This process makes hydrogen fuel cells extremely efficient and means they have very little waste and very little fuel. This makes them a huge step up from the current internal combustion engines found in cars, as internal combustion engines release a lot of waste and require gasoline as a fuel source. This makes them harmful to the environment as well as inefficient, which is why hydrogen fuel cells are a significantly more sustainable option for a power source. The original design was meant to be 3D printed and was going to be two parts, the chassis and the frame of the car. Chassis was designed to hold the hydrogen fuel cell, the battery, the motors, the wheels, and the axles, and the frame was designed to enclose it all and make it more aerodynamic. Sadly, due to the limitations of 3D printing, only the chassis could be printed. 3D printing was the obvious choice in design, as it could be made light and it could be made very easily. Sadly, some of the problems associated with COVID-19 made it very difficult to design a car that could be used and made efficiently. The final design ended up looking extremely different from the original, with no outer shell and completely different wheels and axles. Luckily, however, it does still run.